Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome to my video class. Today discuss third question of the chapter number 2, circle. Then third question, if circles are drawn with each side of a triangle of sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter as diameters, then with respect to each circle where would be the third vertex. One triangle is given. First two questions, angle is given 90 on the circle, less than 90 outside the circle, more than 90 is inside the circle. Therefore, want to find out the angle, but here is given already, sides only given. Therefore, one triangle is drawn, that two sides are given, one is 5 centimeter, second is 12 centimeter, third is 13 centimeter. We want to find the angle of the triangle. Then how to find the angle of the triangle? Your all sides are given, you find out angle only using the theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Three sides are given. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Sum of squares of two sides is more equal to the square of third side. We get it is one angle is 90 degree. It is a right angle triangle. Using that, here sum of two smaller sides 5, give the name of triangle ABC, then AC square plus BC square. Therefore, first AC square plus BC square. AC is 5 centimeter, therefore 5 square. BC 12 centimeter, therefore 12 square. 5 square means 25, 5 into 5, 12 square, 12 into 12, 144, 25 plus 144, 169. Therefore, AB square, 13 square, 169. From here, AC square plus BC square is 169. AB square also 169. Therefore, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Therefore, triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem satisfied. Therefore, ABC is a right angle triangle. Therefore, here common side, common vertex is C. Therefore, right angle triangle at C. Therefore, angle C 90 degree. Right angle triangle at C means angle C is equal to 90. Therefore, C is inside the circle. C is a point on the circle. Point on the circle. Therefore, this is the proof. Therefore, three type of questions. Angle is given, 90 is given, therefore on the circle. Less than 90, therefore outside the circle. More than 90, inside the circle. Here sides are given, therefore sides are given that time using Pythagoras theorem and prove it, it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, it is right angle triangle at C. Therefore, C is 90 degree, therefore on the circle. Other two vertex always less than 90, therefore it is outside the circle. Therefore, AB is a diameter, C is on the circle. Here only using AB as a diameter, therefore what is the position of C? C is on the circle. We are clear the idea? Therefore, this is the third type of. Because next question is 4. In the picture, a circle is drawn with a line as diameter and smaller circle with half the line as diameter. Prove that any chord of the larger circle through the point where the circle meets is bisect by the smaller circle. This is the question. Figure is also given. Therefore, one large circle and this also small circle, but one condition is given. Diameter of large circle and the small circle relation is small circle diameter is half of the large circle. That is given. From question already given. What is given? AO is half of AB. Reason, O is the center of the circle. AB has a diameter of large circle. AO is the diameter of the small circle. The AC is a chord of the large circle. We want to prove that. What is prove that? AD equal to DC. We want to prove AD is equal to DC. Then, but already join these 2 points, OD and BC. OD and BC. Therefore, this is a diameter, this is a semicircle. The lines drawn from the end of the diameter make an degree 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90. This is the diameter. Therefore, draw a line from the end of the diameter, make 90 degree. Same manner, in large circle, AB has a diameter. Draw a line from the end of the diameters. Therefore, make at C 90 degree. 2 angles are 90. Reason, this also semicircle. Angle in a semicircle 90. The large circle, semicircle, angle also 90 degree. 2 angles 90 degree. Therefore, you are study from this 2 figure. 2 triangles are there. What are the 2 triangles? Consider 2 triangle. One is ADO. ADO. And ACB, 2 triangles. Take 2 triangle, consider that triangle 1, 2 similar. Therefore, angles, first condition, 2 angles are equal, triangles are similar. You study already 9th standard, 2 triangles are similar, or that time 2 angles are equal, therefore triangles are similar. Therefore, 2 angle. One is in triangle, angle DAO. DAO equal to CAB. CAB. What is? This is common. A common angle. Then second condition, 2 triangle is considered, that for 1 angle also equal. By construction, these 2 angles also equal. Angle ADO equal to angle CB, reason 90 degree. You are proved already. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. 2 angles are equal. 2 angles are equal, triangles are similar. ADO, triangle ACB are similar. Therefore, 2 triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportion or in same ratio. Corresponding sides are in same ratio. Therefore, what is the corresponding side? Say AD by AD by here ADO ACB. Therefore, what is the common? AD by AC. AD by AC equal to, then want this two side, AO by AB. Third side, corresponding AD by AC, then corresponding side AO by AB, again next DO by CB. DO by CB. But I take two sides are same ratio, or two sides ratios are same. But AD by AC equal to AO by AB. Already given AB. AO and AB relation is, AO is half of AB. Half of AB by AB. AB cancel. Therefore, we get AD by AC equal to half. Therefore, AD is equal to half of AC. Half of AC. Therefore, AD is half of AC. Therefore, it is half. Therefore, bisect. D is bisect AC. D is bisect AC. D bisected the AC. Therefore, small triangle bisect by large triangle, chord is bisect each other. Therefore, AD is half of AC means AD is equal to DC. AD is equal to DC. This is the proof. Then again one large circle is given, diameter is given, this half of the diameter, therefore this is the important point, diameter of small circle is half of AB. Here then consider two triangles, that triangles want to prove in similar. Two triangles are similar means corresponding sides are in same ratio. Therefore, two triangle, this angle is common, here 90, 90. Therefore, two triangles, angles are equal means triangles are similar. Corresponding side AD by AC equal to AO by AB equal to DO by BC. But I consider this two sides ratio. But AD by AC equal to AO. AO already write half of AB. By AB cancel half. Therefore, remaining is half. AD by AC half. AC cross multiplication. AD is half of AC. അതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് ACൻ്റെ പകുതി ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, ഹാഫായിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം AD ഈക്വൽ ടു DC ആണ്, സെയിം ആണ്. അതായത് ബൈസെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ലാർജ് സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ കോഡ് സ്മോൾ സർക്കിളിനെ ഈക്വലായിട്ട് ബൈസെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ക്ലിയർ ആയോ?